Hello guys, all right, quick video here. It's Friday. Finally the market is over, week is closed, and it was a great day today in the market. So everybody was buying the gap this morning while we were shorting it with my friends in the room. Really interesting gap this morning. Yesterday gave you this move, which was a news event, and I mentioned it last night on YouTube. Posted a video right there to look out for this number 9092. So today, the first attempt, at the moment they opened the market, we had it in the room with that we did have this week reference. This is a period high from Wednesday, right? So I've been talking about it for the past 2 days to pay attention to that 8-week high. The moment we got there this morning, we sold off again from the same level. So if you missed the first entry, what I was waiting for is for the gap to fill. So A period sold off. It came right very close to the 3,150, which was the previous day high. Okay, the previous day high. B period open. B period made an attempt, but the POC, the point of control from overnight, was the stop. So if you did not short today 3009 at the open, you could easily have shorted around 3006, maybe 3007, and take it all the way down to 3,150, which was my original target. My first target, 3,150. So the market consolidated. Actually, they did not, but they were fighting that 3,000 level for a while. And B period, C period opened at 3,003, and again C period. It shows you that C couldn't get above B. So that was your second or third entry on the short side. You could have short 3,004 and take it to 3,001. That was a good 3 points. We came really close to C period low. Was really close to that overnight low. I got out of my first trade at the low right here when the volume is drying out. It was completely dried at 29.98, 99. I got out there. Market rally again to 3,004, and as you can see, I mean, the market never was able to pass that number. 3,004 was all the near levels of 3,000 was key today for you to realize that the market did not have any buyers trying to go long. And I believe this, we spent 2 hours right there at 3,000. This is people getting rid of their options, So this is very important to note. People were just get rid of, I mean, they just wanted to close their option trades. And I believe this is the reason why we spent so much time on this 3,000. Once that got out of the way, guys, I mean, it was game over, right? Sellers took control completely. E period sell off, and this sell off came straight to the previous day value area high. I mentioned yesterday on my video that was important. A bounce out of that, and that was a good bounce. I took my second, I think I took a long right here at 95 to 3,000. I took 5 points, and that was a great trade. And once we got to 3,000, I got out. I closed my trade. I waited for the market. I did not took this short. This second short was a great entry. I missed it completely. I was outside. But this H, once you saw H and I, so G, H, and I start giving you the next, you could call the next wave of selling. So one time framing never stopped. And I placed a couple of pictures on my Instagram, and I went live on Instagram, and then I was posting on Twitter, and I said, guys, we were right here at 3,001. By the way, if you guys don't follow me yet, here's a Day Trader for Life. That's my handle on Twitter. But I posted this 2 hours ago when we were sitting at 3,001, and I said to everyone, listen, actually this is the one that I'm talking about. When we were sitting in 3,150, I tell the guys, check it out. I mean, stop looking. I mean, it's important that we break 3,150 in order to look for long entries, right? We're still trending lower, just as a heads up. So I went live on Instagram, and I did the same thing. People were looking into it. But anyways, I mean, this was a good trade. the moment we got into the previous day's range, right? The moment we broke inside that 3001, I was concerned that this market was going to find acceptance in this area. But it was a good day. I mean, it was a really great day. Many people still do not, they do not recognize what's actually happening in the market, and they just want to be, on a trade. But anyways, this was a good short. This was the second entry short. I did not take this one, right? I missed that 92. But then when we came here to 94 again, we couldn't bounce, right? J period, I think this was a news related event. J period again gave you a big move, and they closed this LVN from yesterday. That LVN that I mentioned in my video, they closed it on J period low, and they sat on it for a little bit, this 90, and K tried to go back up. The moment K failed, guys, this is the next time that you need to recognize that the market wants to continue lower. Stop getting in front of the train. You don't need to be doing that. You need to go with whatever the market is giving you. So this was a nice third entry, and that one I took it. I think I took it a little bit. Yeah, I took 86 or no, I took 84, excuse me. This trade, I took it when they broke K. When K broke J, I took this sell stop right here. I got a couple of points, never got any hit, and the only hit that I got was like 1 point back to 91. I went it was a pretty good, decent trade. This short was 90. So I think my entry was 89.75 or something like that. But I shorted it. It went up to 91, about 2 points against me. And then I knew, and I said to everybody, listen, the target is going to be the previous day point of control. I mean, if these guys are really going to go for it, what you need to be looking for is what and where. I mean, what price and where was the fairest point they were conducting business yesterday. And yesterday they were conducting business right here at 85.50. I said yesterday in the video, I think, or in the room, that even though the market moved higher, value was never developed on this area. We left the value and we left the point of control around the 80s. So that was important for today. So this was a really nice trade back to 85. I took 2/3 on 85. Into Lady M, I went long from 85 to 89, and then I short one small lot or two lots right here. I was looking for 75. I did not get it, but I got a pretty good amount of pips, of ticks right here. It was a good day, good day. So again, this is just a recap of what happened today and how to prepare yourself on market profile, looking at the bigger picture and reading the market, what the market wants to give you. I will do a video tomorrow so that we can prepare for Monday. But again, this looks to me, these guys wants to move lower, much lower. I've been talking about this 70 level since Monday or Tuesday. I start putting this 70 level, 65. We have one single right here at 55. And we have the 42 level, which is a balance that we broke out when we broke to go into all-time highs. So look up below. The market is telling you they do not want to print a new all-time high. Not yet. So the market just wants to take a little breathing, get a better entries for everybody so that you can take along. So guys, have a nice weekend. Enjoy it. Enjoy it with your loved ones, and I will be seeing you Monday. Take care now. Bye.